Howdy, folks. Welcome to Root Mobile. Thank you for choosing us to help manage your business. Let's get you started. All right, so this is for anybody who is starting with us who doesn't have a QuickBooks Online account. This is how you're going to get yourself set up. Nice and easy, straight to the point. You can go ahead and hit admin, and it takes you here. You'll see users first, and you'll see the number of licenses you have available to you that you purchased. You'll see yourself first, and then you'll go ahead and add any other users that you're going to need to. You'll go ahead and click Add User. It'll pop up a window that you'll put in your employee's email into and hit Add User, and it'll send them an email to create a password, and it's all set. Nice and easy. Once your employee creates their password through that email that gets sent, they're locked in, good to go. And you'll just go ahead and do that for each and every employee you have. Once you have all your users sent out and set up, you'll go ahead and go to company. Now, it's important that you do this. I know it's a little tedious, but it's worthwhile because the system will be pulling the information from here for some of your invoicing, some of the data that's going to be on your invoices. So you'll go ahead and put your name of your company, any description you want for your company. You'll go ahead and click add an image, and you'll add a picture of your logo. That picture will show up on your invoices. Put in your address, county, zip, phone number, email, etc. Business days that you're open. And once you have all that in, you'll go ahead and click save. And then you'll go ahead and go to settings next. Now, here we are with settings. Let's start off with your driver settings. Here's where you'll decide whether or not you want to allow your drivers to modify customers, modify products. You can just toggle that on or off for whether you want them to be able to do so. And then you can select whether your driver's optimization is going to be based off of distance or time, just depending on what's most important to you, saving time or saving gas. And then next, you're going to be able to toggle on or off whether they can do custom pricing as well. Once you choose those, you're going to go ahead and hit save. And then you'll go down to invoice settings, and here's our invoice generator. Right here is what your invoice is going to look like, and you can decide what features you want on or off the invoice that you're going to be sending to your customers. You can just click and toggle, and it'll add or subtract, and you'll be able to see how it will look when you print it out to your customers. Once you have it how you like it, you'll hit save. Boom, you're done. And then now we get to the most important part for y'all, getting in your customers and your products. We're going to go ahead and go over to customers. You're going to go bulk upload customers. And make sure you have your customers in a CSV file. We do have a template that is there for you to look at. This is how you need to have your customers set up in your CSV file. So please make sure to go check your CSV file before you upload, so that way it's smooth and seamless. Once you have that CSV file in the proper format, then the template, you'll just go ahead and hit bulk upload. You'll bulk upload your CSV file, and it'll drop everything you need directly into your new customers. Nice and easy. Then you'll go ahead and do the same for inventory. You'll just go over to the inventory tab and go to products. And then same process here, nice and easy. You'll just go bulk upload. There's the same template here that you'll click on. And once you have that template up, just make sure that all of your products in your CSV are following that template. Upload them, click upload and drag that CSV file in with all your products. You'll click bulk upload and they'll all spawn and populate here. Nice and easy. At that point, you're done. You now have your products in there, you have your customers in there, and you have all of your user settings and users set up and ready to go. Now you're ready to start rolling. Please go ahead and look at our YouTube channel for any additional help. Also, don't hesitate to reach out to your salesperson.